Assalamualaikum everyone. This video is for all those applicants who want to apply for the free Coursera license, but they are facing issues and difficulties while applying for the free Coursera license through HEC services portal. All you have to do is to sign in or sign up to the HEC services portal. Once you are logged in, you will see the home page of your HEC e-services portal. द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग एंड रिकमेंडेशन कि आप प्लीज पीसी या लैपटॉप यूज करें, मोबाइल फोन यूज ना करें फॉर बेटर यूजर एक्सपीरियंस. बिफोर प्रोसीडिंग टू द एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म यू आर सपोज टू कंप्लीट योर बेसिक प्रोफाइल. पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए आपने टॉप राइट कॉर्नर पे जाके माय प्रोफाइल पे क्लिक करना है. पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन में एडिट करके आपने अपनी नेशनलिटी, प्रोविंस, डोमिसाइल सिटी, डोमिसाइल डिस्ट्रिक्ट को ऐड और अपडेट करना है. बेशक आप एड्रेस इन्फॉर्मेशन, एजुकेशन, क्वालिफिकेशन डिटेल्स ना मेंशन करें, लेकिन जो पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन है दैट इज मैंडेटरी. वंस अपडेटेड यू कैन गो बैक टू योर होम पेज. वहां पे जाके अप्लाई फॉर ई कोर्सेज पे क्लिक करने से आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को देख सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर आपकी एप्लीकेशन ऑलरेडी सेव में पड़ी हुई है तो उसके राइट साइड पे जो एडिट का आइकॉन है उसको आप क्लिक करेंगे. जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे यू विल सी द टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन फॉर द DLSEI 3.0 प्रोजेक्ट. टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन पढ़ने के बाद आपने एग्री करना है और आपने अपना यूजर टाइप सेलेक्ट करना है. अगर फैकल्टी, स्टाफ तो वो सेलेक्ट करें, स्टूडेंट है तो स्टूडेंट करें. सेलेक्ट करने के बाद आपने प्रोसीड करना है. एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म आपके सामने नजर आ जाएगा. कंप्लीट एकेडमिक डिटेल्स, एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, इंस्टीट्यूट, सेकेंडरी ईमेल आपने यहाँ पे मेंशन करना होगा. एविडेंस आपने अपलोड करना होगा और फॉर्म को आपने सबमिट करना होगा. जैसे ही आप ये सारा तमाम एप्लीकेशंस रिक्वायरमेंट्स कंप्लीट करेंगे, एविडेंस का ऑप्शन यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. एविडेंस को अपलोड करने के बाद आप सबमिट कर सकेंगे. जैसे ही आप सबमिट करेंगे आपके डैशबोर्ड पे जो सेव्ड का आइकॉन होगा वो सबमिटेड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. अगर आपका एप्लीकेशन सेव्ड है इट मींस कि आपका एप्लीकेशन सबमिट नहीं हुआ, तो सबमिशन इसकी लाजमी है. If you have any further question, query related to the DLSEI project, आप dlsei.eg.gov.pk पे जाके complete information सीख कर सकते हैं about your focal person, some FAQs, media section या how to register में जाके आप complete information सीख कर सकते हैं कि कैसे आपने अप्लाई करना है. जैसे ही आप अप्लाई करेंगे वेरिफिकेशन आपके फोकल पर्सन की करेंगे और जैसे ही आपके फोकल पर्सन वेरिफिकेशन कंप्लीट होगी फर्स्ट और सेकंड वीक ऑफ मई में आपको मिल जाएगा कोर्सेरा इनवाइट लिंक ऑन योर प्राइमरी ईमेल जिस पे आपने साइन अप किया था टू द ई सर्विसेज पोर्टल. उस पे जाके आपको कोर्सेरा इनवाइट मिलेगा. इनवाइट मिलके आपने फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे उसको क्लिक करके अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करनी है. Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to register in the DLSEI program offered by Higher Education Commission of Pakistan and how you can get an opportunity to avail free Coursera license for 6 months. All you have to do is to visit eservices.hec.gov.pk portal. If you already have an account, please sign in. If you don't have an account, please sign up and create your account. After signing in, you will land to the dashboard of eServices portal. On the right side of the dashboard, you will see Apply for eCourses section. By clicking on the apply for e-courses, you will see some Coursera instructions. But as you can see that I already have an account, my saved application in my application section. So all I have to do is to view or edit my application. By clicking on the view or edit or by apply for e-courses, you will see some Coursera instructions. After reading all the general terms and conditions, I have to select my user type. If I'm a faculty or staff, I'll select faculty. If I'm a student, I'll select student. Here I'm selecting student and I agree to the terms and condition. After proceeding, I'll land to the application form and I can see the application form for the DLSEI phase 3. I have to put in all the academic details. If my university is, let's say, Zabist, I'll select Zabist as my main university and my main campus is, let's say, Islamabad campus, or my campus is Islamabad campus. If your campus is not available, you can select main campus of your university. My discipline field of study is, let's say, management sciences. My department is management sciences. Program currently enrolled is, let's say, for example, MBA. Degree or qualification level is MS. My semester is second. University registration roll number is 12345 6. My date of admission is, let's say, 2024 April 4th. Are you a student with disability? No. Area of interest. Please note that this area of interest is only for information purposes and will not affect your learning journey on Coursera. So I can select business. I can select information technology as my area of interest. My secondary email as sabis.edu.pk. I have to upload a transcript, degree, university card, or admission letter, which clearly defines that I'm an active student of any university. If I'm a faculty member, I have to upload my visiting faculty card or my faculty card or anything that clearly shows that I'm a faculty or staff member of any university. So I uploaded my admit card to my application form and I click on the submit form option. After submitting the application, my saved application status turns into submitted. Now my application is successfully submitted. Now, the next step will be regarding the verification of your application. My focal person of my university will approve or reject, will verify my application. If I'm interested in getting information about my focal person, who is my focal person, I have to visit DLSEI portal. DLSEI.hec.gov.pk portal is an information portal in which you can see all kind of information pertaining to the project, some FAQs, how to register, media section, press releases, some downloadables. I'm interested in finding out my focal person name, so I have to click on the focal person page here. I can see my university focal person detail, like let's say my university focal person is engineer Syed Faraz Afsar. So I have got email of my focal person. I can email him and I can ask him to verify my application at earliest. After my application is approved, I'll receive an email from HEC describing that my application is approved and I'll be receiving Coursera invitation. Here you can see that I have got an email from HEC saying that we are pleased to inform you that my application has been approved and Coursera invite link will be shared with me on the dashboard of e-services portal. The status of my application from submitted turns into approved. It means that my application has been approved successfully. If you didn't receive any email from HEC regarding your approval of application, no need to worry about it. If your status from submitted changed to approved, it means that your application is successfully approved and you will surely receive invitation link to Coursera. One more thing to remember is not to reach out to your focal person directly after submitting your application. You have to wait for a week at least. Focal person usually take 5 to 6 working days for verification of your application. If your application is not verified after a week, then you are advised to reach out to your focal person and request him or her to accept or verify your application at earliest convenience. So that was all. That was the whole procedure, how to submit the application and how focal person will approve your application for the DLSEI phase 3. If you have any other question or query related to the application process, you can reach out to our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, and you can send an email as well to our digital learning at hec.gov.pk email, or you can get support from HEC Help Desk. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone.